Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Brianna and today I am here with another single serve Rice Krispie mug treat. This time it is going to be a cappuccino kind. And before we actually get into this video, I crocheted my cat hat and these are the earrings my friend made me. If you'd like some, follow her at Emo Hippy Dippy on Instagram. So let's get into this video. First, what you're going to need are 7 regular-sized marshmallows. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next, we're going to need 1 tablespoon of butter. Stick butter works the best usually. And also what I've noticed is you should put the marshmallows in your mug first. And then you should put the butter on top. Because when it melts, the marshmallows don't rise as much. And there'll be less of a mess if there is a mess. So, and then we're going to microwave that for 1 minute. I'm just getting the excess butter. Next, before you stir everything, you'll want to put your cappuccino mix in, and I put in 1 teaspoon. By the way, this is my own recipe. I actually made it up myself. So next we want to work quickly, just with all this, and we'll stir it up. Once you have everything mixed in, next we're going to mix in our 1 cup of Rice Krispies. Boy, it smells really good. This is a really good recipe, and I just thought I should share it with you guys. And I hope you actually make it and tell me how you actually like it. This is what it looks like all mixed together. As you can see, since the cappuccino mix is darker, it actually looks darker. But let's get into the taste test. I am ready to eat my cappuccino Rice Krispie treat. It tastes so good. I really recommend it. Like, if you try it, tag me on Instagram, comment down below. And this is the end of the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye.